dosa,
Thank you.
chutney.
Rakshit
Guys, time is 1:20. Just chilling here. Odin boy. Doggies chilling. They're happy finally there's no rain. But it's drizzling little. So planning to go to one place now. Just trying to check the zoom. So good. Butterflies flying. What a serene environment this is. Too good. And Mr. Tyson has to park. Otherwise he's not satisfied. चल रहा है भोंगता बसता Goldo. He had a fight with a kid today. He was punished in the tuitions. What discussion is up? Where are we going good today? Wait, where are we going today?
Animal Planet.
Okay. You're gonna put a snake around your neck. Really? Oi. Some deep discussion happening.
Today, first we are going to a temple,
Okay. Manjuguni?
Manjuguni. Yes.
Okay. So do we go to Yada side and then go to Manjuguni?
No battery warning ಇಲ್ಲ.
Huh?
Close. No battery.
Ayyo, kari kela. Fuck. Garden. Oh, there are fishes, dude. Inside this. Wow. Oh, there are fishes, so many. Where did you get it from? Any idea?
Local boss.
Nice, they're thriving in this. This is what chili plant, no? Yeah. You can see, guys, chilies. Oh, crazy. This is peacock's favorite. So, dal and rice. This is potato fry with rava, chutney, sabji. All of this made by Pratima. Dal akka. Okay. Guys, going to Manjuguni temple now. So, I'll tell you the history about it. I forgot. I think Rakshit can explain it better.
Explain that.
So, you want to explain it there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How far is it? I think 30 kilometers, 25 kilometers. All of us are going. Mr. Adi driving. Mr. 350. Apparently, Adi has lifted 350 kgs of deadlift. So, any of you, who are asking for a world record, we have one person here. Contention. Two people are sitting there, they're chilling. Trapped behind. So, this is how the weather is. Luckily, it's not raining. My old car. We are near Manjuguni. We entered the from the main road. We came inside. So almost reaching there. I think few more kilometers there.
Yeah.
What do you have to say, Rakshit?
2 more kilometers from Manjuguni.
Why are you blushing? Adi is smiling alone. I can see him in the mirror. He's sleepy. No, yeah.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful.
ನೋಡಕ್ಕ ಬೋಟ್ ಇಸ್ಬಿಳೆ ಬೋಟ್ ಬಿಳೆ ಉದಾ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹಂಗ
This is Manjuguni temple. Apparently, when there is a Rathotsav here, in Tirupati the temples are closed. So it is basically Venkateshwara temple. Very famous here. I'll tell you the exact details if I can get it. Wait, I'll tell you. I have to check. Money is inside. So I'll check with him. Mr. Adi is walking like Godzilla. Driving is excellent. Very, very beautiful. So apparently you can, make a wish and put the coin there, and apparently it should stay. किसी का wish is not being fulfilled. This money has done it successfully. Defying law of gravity, money has become Isaac Newton. The wish will not be fulfilled. Huh?
Keep it here.
Previously pray nicely and keep it here. हो गया. Apparently, you have to make a wish and then place the coin, and it should stay. This is what Pratima told. I don't know. Just giving information. It's a 1,300-year-old temple. Apparently, I think Rakshit has successfully done it. He's showing off his biceps and all now. Where? Oh, wow. Oh, this is solid. Very nice. This guy will keep trying his entire life. They're fighting. See there. For keeping a... Hey, Taj Partala. This is Konkani that I speak, so... Hey. Hello guys, finished the darshan in the temple. I'll just take a small tour around and show you from outside. Obviously inside you cannot I cannot shoot it, I guess. I don't know. Let me just try. Vishnu Bhagwan. This is the inside of the temple. If they scold me, I'll remove the camera. But it looks like this. If you see the pillars, it's like these olden days style done, beautifully done. This person is giving a very good vibe here. Namaste, Bhagwan Ji. Entrance to Garbhagudi. Obviously you can't shoot inside, so I'll show you around the temple. Come out here. So you can walk around to how it is superb. Very well built. You can see, for the water to go down, they have made these kind of, pipes for the water to come out and to fall. Technology from olden days cannot be beaten at all. These are the, rooms and all, I think, for people to stay if there is a wedding and all that. This is where I just showed you, that you can make a wish and keep your coins. Really nice concept. See again, this is like so nice. जो भी भगवान पे चढ़ाया होगा ना, that comes from here. Used here. I think so because that's where the Garbhagudi is. This is Ganesh Ji ka temple. It was closed. This is the other side. There's a well here. These carvings are so beautiful. And this guy is like very nice, singing very nicely. a very cute Hanuman temple. It's very slippery here. And surrounded by a lake. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'll take you guys there. I'll show you. You see how windy it is. It's super duper windy. And then there's the lake there. And it's a Saturday today, and then there is Hanuman temple here. Amazing. जगह का incentive to get the umbrella. Company Aditya. Papa, Nazan Miller. Sorry again, this was in Concrete. Look at this tree. Beautiful. Wow. There are like so many strawberries. I heard apparently at one point there was so many snakes here. Very beautiful. Where? Checkered keelback. Technical name. Non. This is the lake. Hello guys, what's happening? So this is the Manjaguri temple was there. So from there we have come to this lake here, beautiful lake. The Hanuman temple here, and it's a Saturday today. How lucky are we? This is the temple here. Look at the trees, man, here and there. So awesome. Very slippery though. Apparently there were shitloads of snakes here. When was that? Rakshit? How many? At least 150-60 snakes? Apparently I think it was their mating season or something. Right? Enjoy. Lots of places to go. I'll show you more.
चलो
Guys, this is on the way to Yana Caves. A beautiful spot. Water here. Just this is a random, it's not a river or something, it's because of the rains. just look at this place. And it's this mist there. This goes towards Yana. 2 cars here. The folks doing some trekking. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Totally beautiful. So Rakshit. Rakshit.
This place they have, he knows
What does he know about?
some things about this place.
Money.
Some lion story.
You know any stories about this place?
Stories, there are many. Bhasmasura story, all those things.
About Yana?
Yana. Kailasha Parvata was created by Bhasmasura.
Okay.
The ashes from Bhasmasura.
Oh.
What I believe is it is a volcanic eruption.
Correct. Volcanic stones, no?
These are all volcanic.
So from lava, basically molten lava. Once it dries, it becomes this, right? So this is. He just doesn't keep quiet. Tak utkan घाल रहे नागड़ो घाल tak utkan. Natural beauty. I took it from the road, know that? There is a bridge there. This is the water flowing. Everybody is busy taking photos. This guy kid is playing continuously. Rain. Something's biting us. I don't know what. Careful. Very slippery. आधे अनलॉक कर रहे हैं. Okay, finally reached Sirsi. Amazing driving, Adi. Super proud. But थोड़ा ना डरा दिया. Sudden bad roads. Mr. Do something about this. This is my friend here in Raju Chats. People are chilling, sitting and eating. He wants to be in every video, and he wanted Raju instead of Pav Bhaji. From our all-time favorite Raju Chats. Pav Bhaji in the making. The best ever, legendary. Pav Bhaji. This is masala soda. Done with the beltings in Raju Chats. Phone got switched off and came to Reliance Mart for getting supplies like Coke Zero, etc. Tomorrow's plan is to go to another waterfalls and then go to a friend's resort nearby near Joke Falls. That is the plan for tomorrow. Today's plan is just go sleep. That's it. This is Marikamba Monday. Oh, I love you. Time today, tomato bath done by Mr. Jaga. How has it come? How is it? Kasha sir? Wonderful, very good. I like it. Rashid is serving everybody. 2 people are on top watching Big Boss. And look at this guy, wasting time watching cartoons.